Hello YouTube. We've got the Romeo 5 compact red dot sight by SIG Sauer. I'm gonna open it up here. Here it is. Pretty cool. Pull that off. And I guess you look through it this way. This comes with a little tool and another mounting rail. I think I'm going to use the up high one. Please hit that like button. If this is your first time to the channel, please subscribe. We really want to grow our channel and your subscriptions help. Well, that's a tough little bugger, isn't it? Not cool, guys. A little battery malfunction. They put a sticker on there. It's a good picture. I'm gonna get it sighted in today. Well, that's it. SIG Sauer Romeo 5.